Hello, Gifford here, just a bit of a different video today. This video is dedicated to my subscribers, more so to my first 100 subscribers. I apologise in advance, the lighting and sound might not be that great, but we're going to take this video and hop into the RX-8 because I think it's going to be more fitting. Okay, so we're in the RX-8 now. I don't know if it was a good idea, but anyway, let's continue on. So first of all, I just want to genuinely thank you for watching the videos, leaving comments and hitting the like button. It's really appreciated. And to be honest, I wasn't even sure if anyone would watch my videos because I don't have a high paying job and I wasn't even sure if I'm going to be a millionaire at the end of this. I've always been upfront in my videos. I am in fact in the second tax bracket, which means that I earn less than $48,000 a year. That's New Zealand dollars. And all my life I've been in this tax bracket. So starting a YouTube channel, telling the public that I'm trying to be a millionaire, I really wasn't sure if that was a good idea at all. However, seriously deciding to go after my financial goals 2.5 years ago and seeing the massive amounts of people succeeding here on YouTube and sharing their story, I also wanted to document my own story, to see you guys watching my content, which then really motivates me to succeed in my mission. So when I talk about the money and the $1 million goal that I have for myself, ultimately, deep down, it's not really about the money. It's about what money buys me, and that is time. It's more time with family and friends. I have 2 young boys, and in 10 years' time, I don't want to be working 55 hours to 60 hours a week. I want to be only working 20 hours and spending the rest of the time with them. That is, of course, if the boys let me hang out with them and they think Dad is still cool. Ultimately, I want to spend less time on what other people want me to do, like in a job, to the stuff that I want to do. So with the YouTube channel, I'm still going to be documenting my stock market journey, what stocks I'm looking, what stocks I'm buying, my portfolio, seeing all the trades on my watch list. Currently, I'm still down overall and I am still learning. So one day I hope to be able to turn this around and actually get a profit. I'm also still going to be doing my personal finance videos, as this has given me my base to try to build my wealth and also share my little knowledge that I have in property investing. The thing that really annoys me is I don't have time to make more videos each week for you guys, but I always try to get one out every week. I'm still trying to get comfortable with the camera, so if I seem awkward at times, I do apologize. I am working on it. As you know, I already have a super busy week. I have a family. I also have a full-time job, which is 40 hours a week. I have a part-time job, which is 10 hours a week. And I also have numerous side projects, which can take 5 to 10 hours a week. In the coming weeks, I want to share how I made my first $100,000, so look out for that video. And finally, I just want to add, because someone actually asked me, no, YouTube is not part of my plan of trying to get $1 million. Although that would be a dream, I know that I got to be real, I got to stay consistent and determined if I'm ever going to reach my goal. I just want to say again, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you like the honesty in my videos. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.